There's Denny's first two baths on the jig this morning.
Okay. Gonna hit it with a canoe paddle?
The funniest videos.
Don't hurt yourself. Oh! Those guys are gonna bite you in the head.
You know they're gonna bleed to death. That wasn't a bad pickup.
Hold him up so we can see him real quick and I'll stop this video.
You get the hook out of it.
Alright. Oh yeah, beautiful.